relative to a fixed origin O, the point A has position vector 4i minus 3j plus 5k. B is 5j plus 6k. And C is negative 16i plus pj plus 10k, where p is a constant. Given that A, B, and C lie on a straight line. So they're all lined up together. So A to B is in the same direction as A to C and B to C. And the value of P. So let's find A to B. So let's say A is 4, negative 3, 5. That's A. B is 0, 4, 6. And C is negative 16, P 10. So if we say, let's find A to B. So to get from A to B, that's B take away A. So it's 0, 4, 6. Take away 4, negative 3, 5. So 0 take away 4 is negative 4. 4 take away negative 3 is 7. And 6 take away 5 is 1. So that's the direction we are going in. So B to C, or A to C, either one of them, must be in the same direction. So let's say B to C. I want to go from B to C. I'll do C take away B. Minus 16 P 10. Take away 0, 4, 6. Which will be negative 16. P minus 4 and 4. And I know these two must be in the same direction. So A to B and B to C must be in the same direction. That means one's a multiple of the other one. So I can see by looking at it, I want to multiply it by 4. So A to B, and B to C are in the same direction. So negative 16 P minus 4 equals a multiple of negative 4, 7, 1. I'm just going to say K is 4 because it's quite clear. K is 4. So if we just look at our J line, we'll have P minus 4 is 4 lots of 7. So P minus 4 is 28. So P must be 32. The line segment O to B is extended to the point D. So it's a multiple of O to B. So O to D is a multiple, I'm going to use K again, of O to B, which is 0, 4, 6. So O to D is some multiple of 0, 4, 6. And C to D is parallel to O to A. So C to D is parallel to O to A. So the direction C to D, so C to D is going to be D take away C. So D take away C. So D is, well, I'm going to multiply these. So 0, 4K, 6K. Take away C, which is negative 16. What was P? P was 32. 10. So C to D is 16. 4K minus 32 and 6K minus 10. C to D is parallel to O to A. So this is in the direction of, C to D is in the direction of O to A, which is 4, -3, 5. So again, if they're in the same direction, one's a multiple of the other. So 16, 4k minus 32, 6k minus 10 is a multiple. I can't use k. I don't know which letter to use. X times 4, -3, 5. So x, we can see from the top line, 16 equals x times 4. X must be 4. Then we can find what k is using the other lines. So I'll use the bottom line, the k line. Probably shouldn't have used k to start with anyway. 4, so 6k minus 10 equals 4 5s, which is 20. So 6k's are 30, and k is 5. So k is 5. So we wanted O to D. So O to D is 0, and then 4k, 20, and 6k, 30. And we want the modulus of it, giving your answer as a fully simplified surd. So it's the square root of 20 squared plus 30 squared. And that's 10 root 13.